If s is equal to ut plus half at square, find the s dt. So this is one of the equations of motion in physics, where s represents distance, u represents initial velocity, t for time, and a for acceleration. Here we want to differentiate s with respect to time. We want to differentiate the distance with respect to time. Don't forget, the first derivative of distance with time gives velocity, and the second derivative of the distance with respect to time gives acceleration. Let's prove it here. Good. So from the sum and difference rule of differentiation, the s dt here gives the s dt gives, we are differentiating with respect to t. Automatically u here is a coefficient. So I have ut 1 times ut raised to power 1 minus 1 plus 2 times 1 over 2 at raised to power 2 minus 1. Very good. So 1 times u is u, t raised to power 1 minus 1 is 0, t raised to power 0 is 1, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Good. Plus 2 goes here, 2 goes here, I have 1. Then at 2 minus 1 is 1, t raised to power 1 is t, so I have at. So I have plus at. Very good. And don't forget, the second equation of motion is what? V equals u plus at, which is this. So first derivative of distance gives velocity. Good. Now the second derivative. The second derivative of the distance with respect to time gives acceleration. The second derivative is written in this form: d square s dt square. So here we are differentiating this. That is the second derivative. We call it higher order derivative. So derivative of u here is 0 because it is constant. Why is it constant? Because we are differentiating with respect to t, not with respect to u. So it is a constant. So I have 0. Derivative of u is 0 plus 1 times a t raised to power 1 minus 1. Very good. You apply a law in another law. So what I did here is application of coefficient rule. Yes. So the power of t is 1. 1 times the coefficient, which is a, times t raised to power 1 minus 1. So 1 times a is a. Very good. 1 times a is a. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have a t raised to power 0. T raised to power 0 is 1. So a times 1 is a. So I have 0 plus a, which is what? Which is the same as a. A for what? Acceleration. A for acceleration. You can see that the second derivative of the distance gives a, which is acceleration. Which is a acceleration. Mathematics is beautiful. God created the world with beautiful mathematics. Thank you.